bounds.
Hey guys, Aiden here from Everything Code, and I was thinking, some guy's gonna think he's smart, and he's gonna enter, I don't know, Wu-Wing or Sanguine Ella, and make the game think he's an admin, and we have no way of telling. And what would be useful is if we could know for sure, and we can. There's something called environment variables, or OS variables, and if you say set in the CMD, then it lists all of them for you, and the one we'll be using today is username. And here it is. It's Aiden. And no one can very easily change this. By the way, do not try to overwrite environment variables. It will not end well. Like, set username equals to something else. Your computer might crash. Anyway, you can use username. So, if we say if not username equals Aiden, and now there's no way to change that. And basically, I think there might be an error here. I don't know. Anyway, let's see. If we don't need that, so we say username, and now we do that. So now we set this to that, and I'm gonna actually keep this. I'm sorry, Sanguine L is gonna have less security. I don't really know his username for his computer, so yeah. Now we can test that, and you can say my name is Aiden, and it says, oh, he's an admin. But if you think you're a clever cookie, and you say that you're, actually, I can't really, did it just say Wigwig, but it is an admin? Okay, we might need to fix that. Let's see, set admin to 0, so your name is that. If your username is that, I actually have no clue why this is happening. I think it might be this. Let's check. We're like some random dude. Okay, so I have no idea what's wrong. I'll come back to you in a second when I know what's wrong. Okay, so I have figured out what was wrong. It was due to leakage. Here. It's not really leakage, I just call it that. It's just an error. You gotta try to do this all the time by putting, oops. Like, you gotta specify it. Just technical coding stuff. You gotta put quotes around it, so it takes it as a literal string, because it doesn't know if it's into admin blah blah blah. It doesn't really matter, but now you just see, when you type in some random guy, then it doesn't say you're an admin. Right now you still can fake that you're Sanguine L, because once again, I don't know his username for OS. There are many useful environment variables that you can use in your game. So, there actually is an OS variable, I think. It tells you your operating system, user domain, there's all kinds of stuff, user profile, I think there's a one called path, there's public, all kinds of useful variables that you can use in your batch files. So now we've pretty much made it foolproof to fake that you're an admin, except if you don't know their OS. Well, not their OS, their username. And I'm just guessing it's probably like his real name or something. Sanguine L. I have no idea. I have no idea what his real name is. So basically that concludes this video. Hope you've learned a bit about environment variables, OS variables. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff if you want to see more like this.